we do have volunteers who want to be putting things together.
Organizers are preparing for a day of dialogue on diversity. Olivia McInnes says racially insensitive comments aren't uncommon at her predominantly white private high school.
Some things are like ingrained into you that you don't even know that's not right because there's no one else to correct you.
And in the public school system, we've seen clashes between groups of students who are sharing a building for the first time. Amaya Grissom believes these outbursts may stem from a lack of support at home.
My parents have been there supporting me through everything, and maybe they just didn't really have anybody that really supported them or loved them.
That's why these students want to be there for each other and become leaders of unity in their own school communities.
The country is so divided in so many ways, and it's something that we're hoping that it goes away by itself, but it won't.
Pastor Dwayne Rogers is hosting the Removing the Walls Together conversation at his church, Wildwood Christian. Javion Frazier already has some advice for students at consolidated schools like John Marshall, coming from his experience at Harding Charter Prep, sharing the halls with Harding Fine Arts.
The best thing for you to do is just to love that person with all you can, because even though you're rivals, you're still people and you don't have anything against that person. It's just that your schools are different.
Saturday will be filled with activities as well as discussions like this.
The goal of it is if you can come in as strangers but walk out with the possibilities of being friends, then we've done a good thing.
The free event lasts from 10 to 1 and lunch is provided. In Northeast Oklahoma City, Jesse Mitchell, Oklahoma's Own News 9.